I'm now going to talk a little about the map view and the different ways we have available to define your site. So the map view has a control panel on the left with details of your search address, along with some other bits of information. The rest of the page is the map, showing your chosen address as the pin. From here you can define your site boundary. So the simplest way to do that is to double click on a base map feature to start building out your site. You start with a double click, and then with each single click on a neighboring feature you can extend your site. Once you're happy with the defined site, you can double click to finish. Now if the features on the map haven't quite defined the site that you're after, for example this corner might be a nice straight edge on the plan you're working for, you can just manually adjust the site you've drawn so far. So to do this, access the polygon icon via the drawing tools menu. You'll see the nodes appear on the map. You can drag each to fill out the polygon to the desired shape. You can add new ones by clicking on the small nodes, and you can delete nodes by right clicking on the larger ones. When you're finished, hit done. If you've completely messed this up and you want to start again, there is the bin icon to completely get rid of the progress so far. It'll give you a little warning so you don't delete it by mistake, but then you've got a clean slate. You can, of course, draw completely manually by starting with the polygon tool, clicking to add each node on the map, and then either double clicking to finish or clicking again on the first node added. So once you are happy with your site, over on the left hand side in the control panel you're prompted to tell us whether it's commercial or residential in nature, and this will determine the products that you're presented with at the next stage. As a guide, residential reports should only be used for single residential dwellings. Everything else is commercial. Scrolling down on the control panel, there's also some early insight into some of the risk alerts that have been identified at this location. At this point we could proceed to product selection, but if you're not quite ready, we can choose to save and exit. You can come back to it later when you are ready to place the order. All sites are automatically saved as saved sites and can be found beneath the search bar on the home page.